Hey everyone, Destin here, back at it again with another switch review video. Today we'll be talking about the B1 linear switches from Keygeek. I decided to hit the drawing boards and find out how to achieve the most clackiest switch on Earth. To achieve this, they used a nylon bottom housing with 50% fiberglass added, paired with an M4 strengthened palm stem. Coming with 10 switches in a pack, costing $3.50. I'd say these are well worth the pickup. Breaking things down, these are linear switches manufactured by Keygeek. Stem material consisting of an M4 strengthened palm. Top housing consists of a PA12. Bottom housing is an N5, or a nylon with 50% fiberglass added. These operate at a 45 gram, bottom out at a 55 gram. Pre-travel at a 2.0 millimeters with a total travel of 3.7 millimeters. A 21 millimeter single stage Japanese spring wire, coming factory lubed. Either these got some extremely tight tolerances, or it's time for a new switch opener, cause man I'm struggling. As we attempt to get these open, we'll take a closer look at each part. Kicking things off, we got our PA12 top housings. M4 strengthened palm stem, coming factory lubed. A nice 21 millimeter single stage spring Japanese wire, followed by our N5 or nylon with 50% fiberglass added, factory lube in the bottom housings. Very clean look overall, with the smoky black bottom and top housings, and a nice dark blue on the stem. Let's take a listen to see how they sound. These bad boys are extremely clacky if you're asking me. Taking a look at the tolerances, extremely tight as well. No wobble horizontally or vertically, with no signs of them being removed by pulling off the keycap. We'll go ahead and compare these against other clacky switches we currently have. B1 linears, cosmic purples, cyans, all of those are valuable options if you're looking for something clacky. We'll go ahead and take a listen to the sound test with the B1 linear switches, Neo 75 with no foams, carbon fiber plate, GMK taco.